Well, I think cricket as such a sports, it connects people to people. So I think it's very important that when we have teams from India coming over to play in Bhutan, so that the friendship it strengthen our own friendship which we have already. So I think very thankful to the Indian teams who have come here to participate, and then I think it's not only about friendship and also, but it's about the sports. So the development of sports here in Bhutan, especially in cricket. So when you have teams, good teams from India coming over here, and our boys, especially our young boys and our cricketers, so they get exposed to a better team. So that helps uh, our team to really boost their confidence, get some match experience. Yeah. Right now, yes, we have four teams. So two from Indian and two from Bhutan. So that's for the men's team. And for women's, we're playing a bilateral series. So one from Bhutan and one from India. Yeah. Today is the opening. So 21st we are opening. Then the final we have scheduled on 28th of April. So for this final, the team first they'll play a group league match where each team will play against each other. So whoever's top in the group, they'll play semi-final. We have the second semi-final. Then after semi-final, then we'll play the final.